So when it comes to a typical cost of a machine vision system, our solution prices range anywhere from tens of thousands of dollars all the way to, of course, close to $1 million, right? So there's a big range. And the cost really breaks down to two elements: is how much of customization do you really need to do? Because the more customization you have, more very tailor-made your solution needs to be. But if it's something that's very standard and typical of any kind of inspection that we've done before, then we can reapply something that we've already done and make that a standard solution. So what do I mean by standard solutions is how custom is your image acquisition, right? Can a single camera, by looking at a single orientation, capture defects with sufficient contrast and clarity that you can then perform your image processing pretty fast? So the customization for image acquisition is really a factor when it comes to cost. Image processing again depends on how many different variants, how many different defects that you have, because then you need to teach those number of variants and defects into your image processing system. So the more complex your matrix is, the complexity would then increase. But overall, the complexity is really a factor of image acquisition. As the image processing has been more or less standardized with the Eagle Eye platform that we've developed.